Hey everybody, and welcome back to yet another video. Well, if you guys have been around the channel for a while, you know the number one thing I love to do is customizing. And today we are going to be customizing my DYE MXR. So this past weekend, I was out at the Ontario Paintball Classic 7-man at Adrenaline Paintball here in Melbourne, Ontario, and was working away, and I was with Intensity Customs with their full retail setup, first retail setup of 2026, and of course, they had all the coolest and latest stuff from DYE, so of course, I had to pick myself up the new Sticky Grips from DYE for the MXR. So, but don't worry, if you don't have an MXR, the Sticky Grips come in 7 different colorways for the MXR and 7 different colorways for all models of the DSR. So, yeah, you have a DSR or MXR, no problem, got you covered. You'll be able to get Sticky Grips. Like I said, there's 7 different colorways. I'm not 100% sure of all the colorways, so make sure that you check out dyepaintball.com and check out the different colorways they have it, but they have everything that, enough colors anyway, that you can put your own flair to your marker. So, and that's what I plan on doing today. And of course, going to bring you guys along for that and see exactly how this baby looks when she's all done. So in case if you guys have forgot, when I first showed this off last year, is the MXR that I have is the Arctic Fade, I believe is what it is called, is the Arctic Fade. Absolutely love this thing. This is the workhorse, no doubt. So it's got the black and gray grips on it, you know, just the stock stuff, but I don't like stock. So I'm going to put the clear on them, and I think this is absolutely going to make this thing look freaking amazing. So, and then also too, I'm going to use this opportunity because I'm going to have the front grip off, that I'm going to change the batteries for the 2026 paintball season. So this is a great time if you guys are changing grips. Change your batteries if you haven't already for the 2026 paintball season. Last thing you want to do is get out in the field, don't have any batteries, or worst case, your battery dies, and then your day absolutely ruined. So, yeah, so let's jump into putting these grips on. So I'm going to adjust the camera, and let's jump in. All right, I got my DYE MXR ready to go. I have my Sticky Grips, and I have my AA batteries. So let's jump in to this bad boy here. Cut off the ties. Little protective coating here to protect from the zip ties. That's a really cool idea, actually. Protect it from the zip ties. Make sure that the zip ties doesn't wreck the grips. So there we go. Get the garbage out of the way. All right, so to get these bad boys off, so first and foremost, new batteries in. Got a little bit of paint where I don't want it. So get that cleaned off first and foremost. New grip, foregrip on, nice and easy. So can't get much easier than that. And then the back grip. I haven't taken these things off too much, so you have to apologize with, I'm not a pro of taking these off, so. Everything snaps into place, easy peasy. And there we go. Well, there you have it. Brand new grips on the MXR. Looking absolutely amazing, just the way that I wanted it to look. So there you go. What do you guys think? Make sure you leave comments down below of what you think of this. I think this fits this this style, this fade, everything. I think it fits it absolutely perfectly. And then, like you saw, like I said, best thing to do, especially if you're switching everything around, change batteries, and then you are good to go for the season, and or at least a little bit of the season, and you don't have to worry about your gun going down on you. So like I said, the beginning of the video, so in case anybody is wondering, and so they don't forget, the Sticky Grips, 7 different colorways has come out for the MXR and the MXR mech frame as well, and for all the DSR platforms. So if you have either one of those 2 markers and you want sticky grips, make sure you check out your local DYE dealer, especially if you're in Canada and at any of the big Canadian events. Make sure you swing by Intensity Customs and pick yours up. They have them in stock, so check them out. And or go to DYEPaintball.com and you can get it online. So that is going to be it for this video. Thanks for watching. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure you click that like and subscribe button so you can stay up to date with everything coming out of this channel. And I will see you guys next video.